Hello everyone, this is Ernest. We are going to use an Excel sheet to determine the 24-hour load demand profile of a small solar system. Properly determining the total energy demand of your solar system will help you design a system that can be able to meet your needs and sustain your loads without failing. In this tutorial, we are going to understand two concepts: connected load of a system, which is measured in watts or in kilowatts; the total energy demand of a system, which can be measured in watt hours or kilowatt hours. Determining a total energy demand of a system is more of a science because you need to consider user behavior before you determine the total energy of the system. Two systems can be similar, but their usability is different. We take a case of two users in this study, user A and user B, connected with the same TV of 90 watts. But we see that user A watches TV for 2 hours and user B watches TV for 7 hours, resulting in their energy demands having a very big gap. User A ends up using only 180 watt-hour of energy, and user B ends up using 630 watts of energy. Considering these two users, if you were to design a solar system for these two users, the energy bank of user A will be smaller than the energy bank of user B. Likewise, the PV array of user A will be smaller than the PV array of user B because of their independent total energy demands. In this tutorial, we are going to consider the following loads. We have 3 LED bulbs of 7 watts, 2 LED bulbs of 3 watts, 2 fans of 30 watts each, 1 TV of 90 watts, 1 fridge of 120 watts. Follow through the video as we customize the Excel sheet. Thank you for following through the video. The values obtained from this calculation can be used to determine the size of the inverter of the solar system, as well as the PV array of the solar system and the power bank of the solar system. See you in subsequent videos.